Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace brake pads on your Toyota Tundra. This is a crucial maintenance task for your vehicle's safety. Before we begin, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and wearing appropriate protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Let's get started. First, loosen your lug nuts, then safely raise your Tundra and remove the wheel. Next, locate the two caliper guide pin bolts, usually found on the back of the caliper. Use a wrench to remove these bolts, allowing you to carefully lift the caliper assembly. Once the caliper is free, you can easily slide out the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket. Remember to keep track of all hardware. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. Before doing so, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized tool to push the piston fully back into the caliper body. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Then, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Finally, reattach the caliper and securely tighten the two guide pin bolts to their specified torque. With the new pads in place, reinstall your wheel and carefully lower your Tundra back to the ground. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This action seats the new pads against the rotor and ensures proper brake function. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive at low speeds in a safe, open area to confirm everything is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.